Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: bed liner, alloy wheels, running boards, traction control system, daytime running lights, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.